Hi guys, so in this section we will learn about how to put image in web page. So it will be very easy. So we have to use image tag img and the src attribute. Src attribute is nothing but to provide the path of image. So just I put India and under this paragraph I just use image img tag. Inside img tag I just put source and image.jpg. Okay, and ending that paragraph. Okay, so here this source file and image are in same folder. Okay, so you see this image and this source file are in same folder, so no need to provide the complete path. So if you want the image is a different location than your source file, then you have to provide the image location. So once you do this, okay, just open this web page, image.html. See, the image is coming here. Okay, it's really very simple. Thank you. So there are different things about image also, like we can specify the size and all these things. So there are different attributes are there, we'll learn later about those things.